Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I actually have a really quick and inexpensive tip for you. And that is, I wanted to share with you what I use to cover and protect my surfaces whenever I'm painting or doing a project where I don't want to get my work surface dirty or messy or painted, or just to protect it all the way around. And what I actually use is this craft paper roll from the Dollar Tree. So you get quite a bit on it. I've actually used this a few times already. And it's, of course you can use newspaper. Most people use newspaper to just cover their surface for whenever they're working. However, what I like most about this is you don't have to piece it together. It's not gonna move around. You can tape it just four corners and it will completely stay where you want it. And it is big. And I like that you can just easily unroll it, and then if you don't mind it being messy, you can let it dry or brush it off and roll it back up and use it again. So for $1, I think this is well worth the money to protect your surfaces when you're crafting. So I hope that this tip helped you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you Quick Tip Tuesdays. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit that bell so you get notified when my videos do go live. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.